Prophet Sulaiman, peace be upon him, was a king unlike any other. His wisdom bestowed by Allah extended over humans, animals, and even the powerful beings known as the Jinn. One of the most remarkable moments of Sulaiman's life was his encounter with the Queen of Sheba, Bilqis. Her kingdom was magnificent, yet she and her people worshipped the sun. Sulaiman, ever the wise king, sought to guide her to the worship of the one true Allah. Once upon the time of his servant bird, his name was Hudhud, approached him and say, "O Prophet Sulaiman, I have seen a great kingdom led by a queen. She has a magnificent throne and rules over a people who worship the sun instead of Allah." The Prophet replies, "Tell me more, Hudhud." Hudhud continues, "Her name is Bilqis, the Queen of Sheba. Her throne is unmatched in beauty, but her people stray from worshiping Allah." Prophet Sulaiman replies calmly, "I will send her a message. She must know the truth. Go, Hudhud, deliver this letter to her." The bird flies off into the sky, carrying the letter, and delivered the letter. Bilqis start reading aloud. "In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Do not exalt yourselves over me, but come to me in submission to Allah." She lowers the letter, turning to her advisors. Said, "What do you advise, O men of my court?" The advisor replies, "We are strong and ready for battle. Let us fight him." Bilqis disagreed and shook her head and told her advisor, "No, war is not the answer. I will send him a gift and see how he responds." She sent an abundant amount of extravagant gifts to Sulaiman. Her servants arrived to the palace and delivered the gift. But Sulaiman wasn't happy about what he saw and said, "Do you think you can bribe me with these gifts? Allah has given me far greater blessings. Return to your queen and tell her to submit to Allah. Otherwise, I will come to her with an army she cannot resist." After sending her servant, Prophet Sulaiman, start asking his followers, "Who among you can bring me the throne of Bilqis before she arrives in submission?" Ifrit, he was one of his monstrous jinn who serves him by the will of Allah. He stands and proudly responded, saying, "I will bring it to you before you rise from your seat. I am strong and trustworthy." And there goes another man with knowledge of the book. Stand and says humbly, "I can bring it to you in the blink of an eye, by the permission of Allah." With miracles of Allah, the throne appears instantly, glowing with divine power. Prophet Sulaiman puts a smile on his face and says to her, "This is a favor from my Lord, to test whether I am grateful or ungrateful. Gratefulness benefits only the soul, and ungratefulness harms it." Bilqis said, "Is your throne like this?" Prophet Sulaiman responded, "Yes, it is, as though it were the very same." She looks around, marveling at Sulaiman's power, then amazed by the work of Allah, and humbly said, "My Lord, I have wronged myself. I now submit to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, along with Prophet Sulaiman." Prophet Sulaiman replies gratefully, "My Lord, grant me the ability to be thankful for your blessings upon me and my parents, and to do righteous deeds that please you. Admit me, by your mercy, into the ranks of your righteous servants." This story is a reminder of the power and wisdom of Allah, the importance of gratitude and submission to His will. If you find this story useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.